Welcome back to your #1 fashion channel, Noble Fashion World, everything fashion. I'm glad to have you here. You're highly welcome. If today is your first time coming across this fashion channel, you're highly welcome, because in this channel we showcase the latest, the trending, the beautiful, the post styles for all ages. And trust me, you will not regret ever coming across this channel. Please support me by subscribing to my channel, like, share my videos, and also comment on my videos. Thank you so much as you do this. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. You guys are so amazing. I'm so happy to have you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always viewing my videos. I appreciate you all. Just relax and watch to the end. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.